Good morning everybody and welcome to P1C English class on Wednesday the 1st of April 2020. Remember to write the date on every page in your textbook and in your yellow notebook when you are doing work in the notebook. This morning we are going to look at the textbook. We are looking at pages 56 and 57. We are talking about the short E. That's the E that we have in words like egg and pen. This is something you've already looked at before, but we're going to look at it again and look at it more closely so that you get to clearly understand what we mean by the short E. To do that, we have this little story. Well, I'm going to read you this story and then I'm going to show you on the whiteboard where all of the short E words are. Not all E's are short. Sometimes we have long E's, like the E sound in the word meat, which is two E's. The short E is written as a single E, but that doesn't mean that all single E's are short E's, and we'll get to that when we look at the whiteboard. First, I'm going to read the story to you. Let's make a tent. Look, a red tent next to the bed. Let's put the teddy in the tent. Let's put the jet in the tent. Let's put the 10 pens in the tent. I like this tent. This tent is the best. Now, I'm going to do this again, and I want you to follow me. So when I say the sentence, you say the sentence. We're going to do that 2 times. We're going to go through the whole of the story, and then we'll look at the whiteboard. Let's make a tent. Let's make a tent. Look, a red tent next to the bed. Look, a red tent next to the bed. Let's put the teddy in the tent. Let's put the teddy in the tent. Let's put the jet in the bed. Oops! Let's put the jet in the tent. Let's put the jet in the tent. Let's put the 10 pens in the tent. Let's put the 10 pens in the tent. I like this tent. This tent is the best. Right, now we've listened to the way the words sound, let's take a look at how they are written, what the spellings are, and what the difference is between a short E word and words that use the E for other purposes. So, let's make a tent. This is this is the short E. In this word, make, the E is silent. It's not a short E, so we do not put a line under that E. Then we have tent, tent. That is a short E. Look, a red tent next to the bed. Red, short E, tent, next. The, not a short E. The sound is not the same. Bed. No. Teddy. The tent. Let's put the, no, jet, yep, that's a short E. The, no, tent. Okay, so we can see that the eh sound comes in the middle of words most of the time. It's not going to be the last letter on the word, generally speaking. When it's on the end of a word, it has a different purpose. It changes the way that the rest of the word sounds. So now I want you to do the same as I've been doing, underlining the letters. I want you to do this in your textbook without watching the video at the same time. I want you to do this using your understanding and memory. Do not copy from the video. When you finish doing this in the book, then you move to the workbook. In the workbook, we are looking at pages 44 and 45. You need to answer all of the questions. Firstly, you have a statement, I can read and write words with the short E. You answer yes, sometimes, or not yet. Then, question 1. Which sound? Look at these words. Say them to yourself so that you can hear the different sounds. We have short E, short A, and short U. Then, write the short E words in this line, in this column, the short A words here, and the short U words here. Be careful. Think about what you're doing. It's simple if you do it carefully. Then, it says here, rhyme. Rhyme means words that sound the same. So, for example, a word that rhymes with hen would be ten. Hen, ten. Hen, ten. Those are words that rhyme. You are supposed to write here 2 words that rhyme with hen. So you're going to find those words on this page or in the pages of your textbook. Find a word that rhymes with bug. Find 2 words that rhyme with can. Look what you're doing. It says 2 words here, it says a word here. That means you only do 1 word. Read and draw. Read the sentence and draw the missing part on the picture. It says the hen is wearing a red dress. Well, that's funny, isn't it? You've never seen a hen wearing a red dress, have you? But in this, you are supposed to draw, and you can colour it as well, a red dress on the hen. In this picture, you can see some pens. It says, I can see 10 pens. You need to count the pens, and then you draw more pens so that you have a total of 10 pens. And then the last thing, here is your word box. Here are the words. It says use 2 words from this box. Write a sentence. You write the sentence here. And then you draw a picture here. The picture is a picture of the sentence. So if, for instance, for example, if you wrote the hen has an egg, the hen has an egg, and you wrote that here, the hen has an egg, you would draw a picture of a hen and an egg. If you wrote the jet is on the bed, the jet is on the bed, you would write that here, and then you would draw a picture of a jet on a bed. Okay? So, draw a nice picture. Don't draw a little tiny thing in the middle. Use all of this space to draw a picture of the sentence. And then colour the picture. When you finish doing all of this, I want you to send me a picture on Telegram of page 57, the story with all the words underlined, and then I want you to send me these 2 pages as well. You do not send those pictures to the group, you send them to me in a private message. I'll be online. If you have questions, you can always ask me.